Would you like to create videos in seconds using text or a website link? Today, I'll walk you through how you can do this step by step with VideoGen. But before that, I'd like to share some tips on how to find popular video ideas. First, you can draw inspiration from Google Trends to keep up with search trends. As you know, YouTube is the second most used search engine in the world after Google. Therefore, when creating videos, it's crucial to address the queries people are searching for, as this helps your content appear in search results. So, let's first find an idea to create a video with VideoGen, and let's make sure this idea is something that's been trending recently in the US. First, I clicked on the Explore section in Google Trends. In the Explore section, you can narrow down or expand your choices. You can enter a search term and see which topics have seen a rise in search volume within the field you want to create a video about. I'll start by setting a time restriction here. I'll look at searches from the last 7 days. You can also select different categories, such as beauty, books, business, finance, home decor, and so on. I want to choose the travel category because it aligns with my interests. As a search term, you can enter things like places to visit, flight tickets, etc. Here, I'll enter a very general term, travel guide. I'll filter the results to see what people have been searching for in the last 7 days. Some of the trending searches include Riviera Maya Travel Guide, Free Travel Guide, and Dubai Travel Guide. I chose Germany Travel Guide because it's a place we traveled to last year, and after creating the video with VideoGen, I can verify its accuracy. So, we'll proceed with a Germany travel guide. I showed you this because if you're struggling to come up with video ideas for YouTube, you can check here to see what people are searching for related to your video. This is very important. Creating videos on topics people aren't searching for won't bring you viewers, and your video won't get watched. That's why you can use this tool frequently to see what people are looking for in different fields, and to keep up with trends. Now, let's move on to VideoGen. First, you need to sign up here. You can create a free account by clicking the Sign Up button in the top right corner. You can log in with your Gmail or use a different email address. I'll quickly log in with my Gmail. Once you log into VideoGen, this screen will greet you, and there's an example video waiting for you that shows how you can create videos with VideoGen. After that, you can click the Generate Video button in the left menu to directly access the screen where you can create videos. If you're creating videos for a brand, you can purchase the Pro package to create a brand language and teach the AI the specific words your brand uses. You can also create your own voice tone and teach the AI your brand's visual style by uploading logos and images. If you want to create videos from a website link or a blog post, you'll need to use the business account. Of course, the video's length and quality depend on the package you choose. You can also earn money by recommending VideoGen to your friends. If you sign up for VideoGen using the link I left in the description and purchase a package, I'll earn a small commission. Now, let's move to the Generate Video section and create a video about a Germany travel guide. The screen is clean, and there's nothing complicated, but I'll briefly go over it. Here, you can write the text for the video you want to create. There are many languages available besides English, such as Arabic, German, and French. We'll create an English video. In the very short section, there's a word limit. Since we're using the free account, we can only create a video with 75 or 150 words. I'll click the 150-word option. If you upgrade to the Pro package, you can create videos using your own uploaded images or edited videos. Let's move to the brand section. As I mentioned earlier, if you want to create a custom voice tone, audio identity, or visual style for your brand, you can choose the Pro package to create customized videos for your brand. Here, you can also enter a website URL to create a video. For example, let's say we're creating a short video about a Germany travel guide. If you have a blog where you write travel articles and have a Germany travel guide post, you can copy the link and paste it here. The AI will then create a video for you inspired by that text. This is included in the business package, so VideoGen has many great features you can use depending on the package you choose. Now, let's start with what we can do in the free version. Since there's a 150-word limit here, I wrote the title 5 must-see places in Germany. Based on this title, it will create a video for me. At this point, just like in InVideo, VideoGen guides us. It has created a short text here. You can edit this text, add or remove parts, add headings, or insert images. You can also completely delete the text or change the AI voiceover, just like in 11 Labs. You can also change the options above, such as standard stock images, generative images, or premium stock images. Let's quickly proceed to create our video. Of course, like any AI tool, it will suggest its packages afterward. I'll close that and continue. VideoGen has created the video and opened an editing area for us. Now, let's briefly watch the video and then see what kind of edits we can make. Germany is a treasure trove of breathtaking sights that captivate the heart and mind. First on the list is the iconic Brandenburg Gate in Berlin, a symbol of unity and peace, where history whispers through its arches. Next, the Neuschwanstein Castle, nestled in the Bavarian Alps, offers a fairy tale experience with its stunning architecture and picturesque surroundings. The vibrant city of Munich, known for its beer gardens and the annual Oktoberfest, invites visitors to immerse themselves in Bavarian culture and hospitality. Don't miss the historic charm of Rothenburg ob der Tauber, a medieval town that feels like stepping back in time with its cobblestone streets and half-timbered houses. Finally, the Rhine Valley, dotted with vineyards and castles, provides a scenic escape along the river, perfect for leisurely boat rides and wine tasting. Each of these destinations showcases Germany's rich heritage and diverse landscapes, making them unforgettable stops on any journey. By the way, it seems like my European trip is coming back to mind. I think we need to plan another trip to Germany. If you also want to travel to Germany, you'll find a detailed blog post in the description. You can click the link and read about the details of our road trip through Europe. Now let's see what we can do with VideoGen. As I mentioned in the previous screen, you can add or remove text, make additions, and split the video. If you're familiar with CapCut, you can shorten your video in various durations. Let's take a quick look at the right menu. Here, it brings the selected screen directly, and if you don't like the image, you can regenerate it or upload your own. If you're a traveler and have your own images, you can place them over the voiceover. You can also search among the stock images provided here. For example, I searched for Germany, and it showed me some images. You can select from these images and proceed. You can also make changes to the start time of the image, the background image, or the image animation. Additionally, there's a caption section. When you click here, you can adjust how the text appears. For example, let's select this option, and it will adjust the video accordingly. Of course, this depends on the length of the video. If you want to change the ratio of the video, you can adjust them here according to the platform you plan to publish it on. There's also a sound icon at the bottom of the video. When you click it, you can add a sound to your video. You can select any of the sounds here and proceed. I'll randomly select one, and now let's watch our video again. Rothenburg ob der Tauber, a medieval town that feels like stepping back in time with its cobblestone streets and half-timbered houses. Finally, the Rhine Valley, dotted with vineyards and castles, provides a scenic escape along the river, perfect for leisurely boat rides and wine tasting. Each of these destinations showcases Germany's rich heritage and diverse landscapes, making them unforgettable stops on any journey. Yes, the flow is a bit slow, but as I mentioned, you can completely rewrite the text using ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or Queen to make it more engaging and intriguing. We've explored an AI tool together step by step. From this point on, if your video is ready to be published, all you need to do is click the share button and remember to select the resolution when downloading. I'm curious to know what you think of VideoGen. We also tried InVideo, and I'll leave the link to that video below. If you haven't watched it, it also yielded successful results. Of course, to get better results here, we need to review the plans a bit. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, let's take a look at the pricing. The Pro plan costs $24 per month, but if you want to create videos from a website link, as I mentioned, you'll need to choose the business plan. There's currently a 33% discount for annual subscriptions. If you're looking to invest in your YouTube or social media accounts in the long term, you can take advantage of this discount. I'll leave the necessary links in the description. If you found the video helpful, I'd appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to my channel.